Hi, welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn how to use trim mode or trim edit in Adobe Premiere Pro. Alright, without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so we are inside of Adobe Premiere Pro and I'm still using all panels at the top. Alright, workspace, so you can click on window, workspace, and all panels to do that. And I also have here the nature montage. We have these hair and these shoes again and the river. Alright, so we're going to perform this trim mode or trim edit. Alright, so but before we do that, we need to make sure that these functions is enabled. Alright, so to make sure that this is enabled, all you have to do is to go to the sequence at the top. Alright, scroll down, there will be a trim edit. Okay, or there's an option which is Shift plus T. Alright, so we're gonna click on that. Alright, and then now it's already enabled right here in our program monitor. We have the trim mode. Alright, so basically if you move your mouse here at the top, alright, as you can see this icon, alright, a rolling edit tool, alright, it's actually automatically moving to the rolling edit tool. And if you go here, alright, it's doing the ripple edit tool. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna do the example here. Let's say here in this part. All right, okay, I click on that, that's why it's gone. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna enable it again. I'm gonna hold down Shift and the letter T. All right, by doing that, it will automatically go there. All right, I'll repeat. Let's say I'm in the middle of this video. I'm holding down the Shift plus T. Alright, it will automatically put you on the middle. Alright, so that's how it works. Alright, this trim mode will automatically, your blue playhead will automatically go to the middle in between of the timeline. Alright, so wherever it's near. Alright, let's say here, let's hold on Shift T. Alright, it will go there to the nearest in point and out point that's available in your timeline. Alright, so let's go here. So what's going to happen is if you go here in the program monitor, as you can see, there's these rolling edit tool that you can drag and drop it here to change it. All right, so you can change it from left, you can change it to the right. So if I'll drag it to the right, let's see what's going to happen. Boom. All right, as you can see, our timeline changes. All right, let's undo it. All right, I'm gonna drag it to the left. All right, I'm just dragging it to the left and then release it. As you can see, it's changes here in our timeline. Alright, let's undo it. Now, so if I'll do it again, alright, as you notice, there's a numbers here, 0018, and there's a numbers here, 501. Alright, that is the time of our video. Let's say this one is on the 18, and this video is on the 18 seconds of the clip. Alright, so if we're going to drag this, alright, this middle to the left, okay, as you notice, I'm dragging it to the left, and those the right footage here is decreasing the number from 6, 5, 2, and 0. Alright, so it reaches the 0, meaning there's no other footage. It reaches the maximum of the footage. So if we're gonna release it, as you can see in the timeline, this is the very first part of our clip. As you can see, there's a triangle. There's already a triangle on the left corner of the clip, meaning this is the end of our video. You cannot move it anymore. All right, because this is the end of the video. All right, this is the end of the video. All right, so that's how you do it. Now I'll do it again, Shift T. All right, and if you drag this one to the right, okay, as you notice on the left side of the video here, we have 5 minutes and 12 seconds, right? So I'm just dragging it to the right, and you cannot move anymore because the trim media limit reached on video 1. So meaning this video 1 is no longer available footage for us to do the rolling edit. So if I'm gonna release that, as you notice on our timeline, it reaches the last part of the video. So this is the last part. As you can see, there's a triangle on the right corner of our video on the timeline. All right, meaning that is the end. Okay. All right, so what else? All right, let's do it again, Shift T. All right, also there is there's apply default transition. Basically, if you just want to click at this, it will automatically apply your default transition between the clips. All right, so let's undo it. All right, now we have here the trim forward, or the option and the right button, right arrow. Alright, so it's either you do this or you do the shortcut on the keyboard. Okay, so let's try this one. So if I move this, alright, I'm not moving anymore because there's no available there's no available footage for us to move to the right, so I'm gonna move it to the left. All right, just by frame, one frame at a time. And as you can see, this one changes to -6, right? So I'm gonna press it again, -7. There you go. All right, -10. Okay, now if I'm gonna do it again, +1. All right, so as you can see, the numbers changes: 8, 7, -6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So if you reach the 0, there's no more footage on this. All right, so you can just go to this negative. All right, because there's no frames available for you to move. All right, and also if you move your mouse here in the middle, you perform the rolling edit. But if you move this, all right, on the left video, all right, you can drag this to the left. All right, and then you will all right, let's undo it. You can just drag it to the left. You just drag it to the left, and then you will see the timeline moved. All right, you can also do that on the right video. All right, okay, you do that. As you can see, it performs the edit. All right, so to keep in mind, you can do this or you can do this. All right, you can do this to edit. You can do this to do the rolling edit, and you can also do this to change the in point of the right video here. All right, so that's how you use the trim mode or the trim edit in Premiere Pro. All right, and thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.